Carly, are you playing football with Uncle Brandon? Yeah.
Cheese.
No, I'm making a video. Let her kick the ball, Uncle Brandon. You want to kick the ball? Kick it.
Kick it.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. You can kick it from down there.
Oh.
Okay, kick it again. Kick it. Yeah, go get it. You can kick it. Kick it again. Kick it from down there. Kick it in the yard. Okay, we're not.
Carly.
Can you catch it? Oh, yay! And down the hill. Can you catch it? Oh no! Throw it that way, buddy. Oh, ouch. That hurt your butt?
Yeah.
You alright? Rub it. It'll feel better if you just rub it. Rub it. You're good. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shoot.
So help me up, Uncle Brandon.
You got mud on your pants.
It's alright. Dust your hands off on your pants and keep going. Look out, Uncle Brandon.